Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a fun and quick way to achieve the look of eyelash extensions with magnetic lashes. Now magnetic lashes are either a hit or a miss. You either hate them or you love them. And I'm personally a person who loves them. I just love the way they look. I love that you don't need to put glue on the lashes and that they don't leave residue on your eyes. And I like the natural flutter that they give your lashes. Now especially because I do not do lash extensions or any of that. Like, I do not have the money to be doing it and refilling them and all the time. So magnetic lashes are the perfect way to kind of get that look. So I'm going to show you guys these lashes that I use to get the look of eyelash extensions, because that is such a big thing in female beauty right now. So the lashes I'm going to be using are from this brand called Wakeup and Makeup, and they come in a cute little case like so. And in that case will come one of these applicators, which you can use to kind of place the lash. It makes it a lot easier. I personally don't like using these things only when I'm applying eyelashes with glue, but I can show you guys. And then it comes in this cute case right here. In the case, there will be instructions on how to put the lashes on, and also this. So like I said, these lashes are from a company called Wakeup and Makeup, and they have cute magnetic lashes. So I'm going to show you guys how I put these lashes on and how you could wear them. Start with my left eye first. Just make sure you don't have any hair in your face. You want to have just a nice view of what you're doing. Now I have shown you guys how to use magnetic lashes before in the past, but those were just the strip set on the end. So this one right here comes with the full strip right here, and then this will go on the edge, and it'll show you guys the labels right here. So you'll have to meet this one on the edge, this one has to meet in the middle magnet, and this one has to in the inner corner magnet. It's simple. All you have to do is just make sure you don't blink. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the first lash, and this is how it looks like. Nice flare, and this flare right here is what gives the effect of the lash extensions. So I'm just going to line it on your eyes. It's going to take some practice. It took me a long time. And you're gonna wanna make sure the lash is nice and curved, and you wanna place it on the top of your lashes. So you just line it up here. It is gonna pop up like that, but once you get the magnet to line up, it will stick. So I usually like to start with the ends first. So what you're going to do is want to hold down the lash as close to the lash line as possible, and with the end magnet you want to line it up and it'll grab and pinch your lash. And then I like to move to the inner corner just because it's tricky to kind of go in the middle, and then you want to push down the inner corner and then do the same thing. You just want to make sure the inner corner is pushed down the whole time. Really the easiest. And it just pinches on to your lash like this, and it gives you those really fluttery false lashes, like lash extension kind of effect. And you just repeat on the other eye. And you can start with the inner corner if you want. I find it easier to start with the end, but the inner corner is also a good technique as well. So don't blink, and then have it pinch on the inner corner. So like that. But that is it, you guys. I decided to put this cute little flower in because if you are on a vacation, lash extensions are perfect for that. I just thought it would be fun to do a really quick tutorial on how to put magnetic lashes on. It's something I looked up frequently when I was interested in magnetic lashes, so I'd want that guide and help as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. And I will also link down below where I got these lashes from. They are from Wakeup and Makeup, and I do have a 10% off coupon code, which is Nicole10 right here. So I'll leave that in the description box in case you are interested. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.